Farm is an industry-leading pharmaceuticals company with a proud heritage of over half a century of experience in delivering cutting-edge technologies to produce the highest quality medicines. Farm is breaking boundaries and challenging industry norms in the pursuit of excellence. To fulfill this purpose, a clear vision of future expansion has come to fruition through multiple alliances and partnerships with specialized companies around the world.
We at Farm established the first research community in Egypt and the Middle East. Our team is composed out of young, talented Egyptian scientists and European experts. Together, we develop high-quality and cost-effective genetically engineered drugs.
The development of complex genetically engineered medicines in Egypt is supported by Farm's German subsidiary, a global provider of intelligent proprietary technologies for the biotech industry at large, with a firm commitment to breaking down scientific and economic barriers.
There is substantial evidence that a new age is dawning for Egypt to offer exceptional opportunities, and Farm is perfectly positioned to ride into the future with life-saving and life-enhancing, innovative and yet affordable products.
Striking the balance between innovative and affordable medicines is the mantra at the company's core, allowing Farm to play an important social role by responding to the complex challenges of unmet medical needs of emerging countries. Farm's desire to overcome these challenges helps the dreams of the next generation to be fulfilled.
Farm has deployed an early collaborative open innovation research model. The critical role German research partners have played across 15 years, and the dynamic interplay between two research cultures, which are poles apart, has brought about a distinctive transformation to a more advanced hybrid model, with fundamental changes in day-to-day work, values, and beliefs, venting internally with boundaries of the lab to working as one culture, has enhanced a culture of research, striking the balance between innovation and affordability.
ProBiogen works closely together with Farm and especially its subsidiary Farm here in Egypt, and we want to make modern medicines affordable to the emerging markets.
I was very excited to find a strategic partner and thinker with the chairman of Farm here in Egypt to develop this alliance for emerging country new drug development.
That's the final aim of the Synergy project, to cut down the costs for these modern biopharmaceuticals and make them affordable for the local people, and maybe in the next step also for people in other regions of the world.
New products, new processes came up in a business model which has been expected to be difficult, but it worked out among Europe and Egypt.
(2000 to 2005). This period witnessed the technology transfer and operation of first-generation biopharmaceuticals, Those are mostly simple replacement proteins displaying an identical amino acid sequence to a native human protein. Particularly in 2005, a process research and development community was established in Egypt as the first of its kind in the Middle East and Africa, with a team composed of young, talented Egyptian scientists and European experts. Together, they developed a portfolio of high-quality, cost-effective, genetically engineered drugs. 2005 to 2015, this period witnessed the launch of several drugs for the treatment of hepatitis C, infertility, and prevention of thrombosis in high-risk patients. The launch of these products has resulted in substantial reductions of imported originator prices that reached up to 6-folds. In 2015, the Egyptian and German R&D business model gained momentum, aiming to develop more modern second-generation biopharmaceuticals. Genetic engineering in such case entails alteration of amino acid sequence, alteration of glycosylated protein, or covalent attachment of chemical moieties. These principles are applied to alter the protein's immunological and pharmacokinetic profile in order to generate novel fusion products for treatment of autoimmune diseases and cancer with minimal side effects. The great advances achieved by the biotech industry in Egypt were globally acknowledged and featured in international newspapers and magazines. In 2020 to 2025, the ambitious health sector reform program to enhance Egyptian people's living standards considers research and development with the ultimate goal of making fully developed second-generation biopharmaceuticals available within the first half of this decade. The Ministry of Health program is encouraging the biotechnology industry through providing the necessary services, setting a regulatory framework and guidelines in accordance with international standards. Saving lives and winning the battle of fighting diseases are the aim of medicines. Standard therapeutic approaches use simple chemical compounds. Despite clinical advances in many diseases, cure remains the exception and not the rule. Recent advances in medical research have resulted in a paradigm shift in the treatment of disease. MinaPharm was an early recognizer of this shift, initiated a transition towards complex molecules, establishing in the mid-90s the first biotech facility in Egypt, Africa, and the Middle East. Advanced biotechnology, the next generation medicines, use the body's immune system for its precision and ability to recognize and attack malfunctioning cells, founding what is known today as immunotherapy. Immunotherapy implies the use of complex medicines to program the immune system to use its amazing ability to target and kill affected cells with minimal side effects. At the forefront of advanced biotechnologies, together with its acquired German subsidiary Through Biogen, MinaPharm is manufacturing 5 innovative immunotherapies to treat various challenging diseases such as cancers and rheumatoid arthritis, making them affordable for patients in Egypt and emerging countries.
Working in the biotech industry in itself is something very unique. From the production perspective, it's a very critical process, yet delicate, that requires a certain set of skills. I would just like to add here that we're working in the biotech field in Egypt, and this means that we are developing and producing innovative medicines on Egyptian ground to be affordable not just for the Egyptians, but for all the region.
The field basically piqued my interest because it provides innovative solutions to major problems and obstacles that we face in the pharmaceutical industry nowadays. So basically what we do is by using bioengineered cell lines, we're able to provide new targeted therapies, hence avoiding many of the side effects of regular chemical drugs.
Working in biotech sector means a lot because it's a sector that its own evolves very rapidly. It requires a highly advanced way of knowledge, innovative devices, and a modern and out-of-the-box way of thinking.
Biotechnology is a very interesting field of industry to work in. Through biotechnology, you can learn to apply modern techniques and modern way of thinking. Through biotechnology also, we were able to invent new medicines that used to treat complicated diseases that normal pharmaceutical medicine in the past weren't being able to treat. So the number of medicines that are produced now can treat more diseases and more people are being cured around the world.
I think my main motivation was that I can transfer processes on a molecular or cellular basis to a broad audience of people that can make use of them.
In particular in cancer treatment, 30 years of cancer treatment, and there's not a huge step in conventional treatments. And new biopharmaceutical therapies like monoclonal antibodies, checkpoint inhibitors, or cell and gene therapy offers new opportunities for successful treatment.
During my 10-year journey at Ryan Mina Farm, I've been exposed to the newest and most updated technology in the market. Mina Farm has always encouraged our curiosity to test novel solutions and develop innovative processes.
It's been more than 11 years for me now at Ryan Mina Farm, and yet I can still see my career path progressing every day, and I can still see that there's a lot for me to learn over here in that great, rapidly expanding company.
I love to get into a scientific discussion about solutions, and finally we have to develop and to support our customers, and so we have to be very focused at the end.
Working here in Ryan Mina Farm in the first and only R&D department in the Middle East and the whole region allows me to work with the most advanced equipment and technologies in the world. Here, experiences are being exchanged with so many countries all around the world and internally within our different departments as well.
Ryan Mina Farm is my second home. It's a great working environment that is centered around working as a team and that allows everyone's skills and talents to flourish through constant guidance and support. It's one of the most reputable and prestigious companies that offers a promising career path, and I'm really glad I'm part of Ryan Mina Farm family.